Hey, good afternoon. It's Jim from JagFX.com. It is Wednesday, the 27th of May, 2020. It is 4:33 p.m. local here in Da Nang, Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle, 12-hour candle, was at 4 p.m., which was 33 minutes ago. So there was a little bit of work. Let's have a look at what we've done. Go to the charts. This is my TradingView watch list on the right here. What's highlighted in orange is the pairs I'm going to discuss in this video. Highlighted in blue are current pairs I've got trades on, and without a highlight, no trades. So let's start with the AusCAD. Like always, you can pause my videos to read my notes, etc. You'll see S1 stands for sequence 1, S2, sequence 2, S3, sequence 3. So I've got where the S1, S2, S3 is where that sequence actually starts. It could be multiple trades, like in this case on S3. This was a new sell signal this afternoon. 2 sells were taken. I started a new sequence. This is sequence 3. High risk trade against the trend. There's a trend here that MAs, 240 LMA, 100 EMA and 50 EMA. So prices are way above them is spreading up, so the trend's up. So it's a high risk trade, but we've got red trend lines designate bearish divergence. So we've got regular bearish divergence there. The only thing I don't like, the MACD Platinum, which is this bottom indicator, this works around the 0 level. I look to take sells above the 0 level and buys below the 0 level. This is a little bit ugly and close to the 0 level. So, but I want to try and clear this sequences, all these sequences. Sequence 2 here is just a buy and there's a stop in place. Now, my buys are designated by the blue lines, both vertical and horizontal. So, for example, this sell is red. So the first cell here was here, and the intersection with this main red line here. This buy, this blue line, etc. Yellow dashed lines represent break-even levels. So in this case, as I took a forced sell also on this red dot up here, it gives me an overall break-even for sequence 1 only at 91259, which is the bottom yellow line. It's hard to see, but there's 2 of them there. They're very close. The top yellow line is overall break-even for all trades, So you can see I haven't got far to go, but straight away price has gone against me already. Usual case. So this is the AusCAD. Green lines represent bullish divergence. Blue trend lines represent something that attracts my attention, like support levels, resistance, or just a trend line that interests me. So that's it for the AusCAD. Now this indicator on the price chart, the green and red dots, that's called a QMP filter. All that is a combination of the MACD Platinum, which is a zero lag MACD, and another indicator which is not displayed in the chart called the QQE Advanced. When the MACD Platinum and the QQE Advanced are in sync, it produces these dots on the chart. Now the dots are they form on the close of the candle. So when the candle closes and the signals confirm, I take any trade signals on the open or close to the open of the next candle, the new candle. So like I said, sells when it's the MACD Platinum is above the 0 level, and buys when it's below. That's the general. Every now and then that'll change if I've got some good divergence or a resistance or support level, etc. But that's the gist of it. So that's the AusCAD. Moving down to the EuroCAD. This will be a little bit simpler. Here's my blue lines drawing some sort of support level and resistance level. We've been stuck in a bit of a range here. I'm in a sell here. This thing's had a couple of nice candles down. The MACD Platinum's broke through the 0 level and we've hit this support level. So what I did was closed half of that trade for a profit of $18.37 and put a stop in place just above these highs here to protect the second half of the position. So even if it turns around and stops me out up here, I can't lose overall on that trade. So I've closed half, as you can see on my notes there, and that profit's been added to the profit to date. All my trades are recorded. The results are recorded on a shared spreadsheet through Google Drive. Everyone's got access to that spreadsheet. It's just a matter of going to using the link in the description to this video. So all these trades from the 3rd of February have been recorded on a shared spreadsheet. All right, so Euro CAD, let's move along. Pound CAD, a little bit messy in the one sequence of trades. I probably should have looked at another sequence. I didn't. Hindsight says I probably should have, but I think I discussed it in the video because it was I didn't take a second sequence on this buy trade because it's a trade I would normally not take anyway, and it's probably hindsight probably worked out to be actually not a bad decision. So what we've got this afternoon was a new red dot on the QMP filter here. It just hasn't broken up enough through that zero level to justify a second sell. All I've done is taken a hedge sell here, so it's not a standalone trade, it's just to protect my positions. So it's a third hedge sell. You can see on my notes up here, break even, non-applicable as fully hedged on all positions. All right, so it's the pound CAD as my platform freezes up. A little bit going on. Internet's pretty poor here in Vietnam at the moment. Pound USD, pound. All right, what do I do here? Oh yeah, I'm in a sell up here, which is sequence 1, and that's already closed half and got a stop in place for that sell. Now this buy was in here somewhere, came down, went in my favour a little bit, then pulled down and shot up with these couple of bullish candles, and I was happy to see this green dot on the MACD Platinum, but since had a bearish candle and it's looking a bit rough, so I've closed half on that pound buy trade. That gave me a profit of $12.67. I put a stop in place just below these lows here. So currently fully hedged on this pair, which is a bit unusual. So I'm just waiting for it to break out one way or the other. There may be a chance I could move my, say for example, my stop up on my buy trade inside the entry level if I say, for example, get a red dot on the MACD Platinum and it hasn't already stopped me out. So at this stage, fully hedged as my video freezes up completely. So that's it for my 12-hour high probability charts. Like I said, check out the spreadsheet. It's in the link to it's in the description of the video. If you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button, or nothing else, hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And like I always say, everyone's more than welcome to join the JackFX Facebook group or the Telegram channels. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll chat to you another day. Cheers.